Thokozani bogogo, thokozani zindlondlo. Gogo Makhephula here. Today ke tlo bolela ka rena re le dingaka. Do you know, let me say, men abuse? Yes, let me take example ka men abuse. Do you see hore banna ba bantši ba ile hore they've been abused, ba tshaba ho ka ya di-police station, ba tshwara ba ho ka tshwarisa. Same as dingaka. Paratua, do you know hore ba dingaka re are through a lot? Mathwasane ba dira dilo tse dintšhi tse le re tshaba ho bolela in public. Wa itseng wa itse hore ke bolela ka eng. Number 1, ra khona ho tshwara motho ka mojarateng ka mo, kante motho ha tla o thwasa o tlile o leka. Number 2, o tshware motho o re wa mothwasisa a utswetse. A utswetse dingaka tse dintšhi motho ba tsene, motho a re o tlo thwasa, ngaka e santse sa robetse motho a phute wena TV, wena eng, ba tshaba ho ka tswella ho ka bolela rena dingaka. Motho a tla a ra wa ke tlo thwasa, kante o nyaka molekani wa hao. A tsene a phute a sejuse molekani wa hao, a motsie ba tswe ba tsamaye. Re tshaba ho bolela dingaka because batho ba tla nna ba ntse ba re yo, why a sa di bona before, why badimo ba hele hore ke bona, why ba sa mo shireletsa. Yo, dingaka re imetswe ke metlholo e mentši e re e bonang ka mogare ga metse ya rena. Re tshaba ho bolela. When are we going to get platform? Rena re ba lapiwe ndabuko, mo re tlo ntshang mathata a rena, mo re tlo bolelang di-experiences tsa rena, because mang le mang wa iphitlha bogole ba hae. Mang le mang o tseya gore ha wa ke mathwasane e re ke ska bolela. I remember ke felehetsa lethwasane ko hong he ke ntse ke felehetsa lethwasane he ke re ka kera kika yaka e leng kgale ke nyaka ko ntlong, to show hore mathwasana a re utswetsa. Ka kira selepe se lo seno timela fela ka mojarateng, re sa itse hore se kae. He ko mo felehetsa kanteng ka mmereko, wena o tloa o se fitlhile, mara ka mmereko ba ntsha everything e ba bona hore ya bereka. He ke re dilo tsaka, why it's in order gore mmereko o kgone ho tsamaya pila, ka no didimala fela gore mmereko o kgone ho tsamaya pila. But dingaka, we are growing through a lot. Ba tsena bo ma 2 days netlele ba nya go thwasa ka 2 days re tshaba lo go bolela, because confusion e ntse mo media e ntse mo di TV, mo di Instagram, mo di TikTok e khosa ke bona ba 2 days netlele. Confusion e leng teng e khosa ke bona ba ba nna 3 days ka mongakeng. Bongaka bonyaka nako bekezela. Some batseni mo bongakeng ba tepotsa ra wa, it's a quick cash, it's a quick money, is bongaka ba berekisa, because o thwasa ha di bjano and the thwaso I fail. You will have and guide that person for the rest of his or her life. Mara dilo tse mathwasana ba dirang tsona, there are a lot tse lo re batho they have to know, because ra bona mola hentse ba re ho thabiwa. Wa itse I still remember tsatsi le leng ke ntse ke wa itse o re ho fetsa o thwasisa o tshware tlhogo o re modimo yo o kre people ba ra wa perform a itse o re bolelang ha o thabetse o tšhelete tseng kante ke thabetse o re wa itse keng at long last ba meleko ene ke tshwere ka mojarateng a etswe, because ba re motho wa badimo ha kubiwe. Batho boima, re really boima rena re le dingaka, but re tshaba ho bolela. SK tshwantsha le yona men abuse, gore monna wa tshaba ho ya police station a re hape nna mosadi ya ka wa ntrapa the heck. Le rena dingaka ra tshaba o ka bolela because la re jaja. Mara mathata ke a bolelang ke mathata a tlhaellang mang kapa mang. Motho o motseya gore a re ko o episa ditlhare a rawa nna ka tlela ditlhare nna ke tletse o fola, mara ha fetsa yo ema mola a re nna ba sa nrute ditlhare nna ebile nna ke itse selo, nna ebile o ka itse eng ka 3 days e o nnang. I'm sure gore ba botle ba ntse ba re eng bongaka o butsisa fela ngaka gore motho o ntse how many days a boteng bongaka ba 3 months. Abuti o ti thuta eng ka 3 months wa boa wa ba professor wena ko kae ba wapesa dipura tse bjang bjang ba wapeseng ka o ntse 3 months ka mongakeng le ona 3 months ya teng ba thwasa ba ya hae ba thwasa hape a dibjang ho tsene style se seng batho ba thwasa ba le ko metseng ya bona tomorrow ba ya go blame dingaka ho tsene style se seng batho ba thwasa ba le ko metseng ya bona no a ba senya go thwasa ba senya go nna ngakeng at the end ba blame ngaka ke nahana hore a re bueng dingaka ha go be le molao man ha go be le molao re ka se palle ke mathwasane e le a rena ha go bueng go be le molao motho whether you follow the rules or you quit di sa thoma because re bona mathata mo re bona mathata re boe hape re hopole khale wa itse batho no belo dingaka tsane ya they don't know re khale ngilo irala khale nkile wa ba le situation se ile re nkile wa ba le ba re hofisiwa baloi if you still remember ngaka tsa khale ba tla hopola ngaka tsa khale they will remember ho sa hopole hore wena se khale nkile gwa fisiwa baloi do you know what happened ne tshwana le ani bjanong ka tsona tse tsa gore motho a nya go targeta motho a nya go mo exposer a nya go ntsha ditletlebo tsa a nya go lwa le yena o mo yela go tsetsa di-TV tsa eng a fitlha morwe a bolele maka a ireng yes it happened gore o molo mona a thoma a pointa motho a mothoileng because everyone is a witch motho o molo mo ke moloi go ka tsena ka next door ya hao ba lela ka wena everyone is like that hold on any next door like any next door so ke life ya di next door so ntho ho ka itsia wena wa ibuilda mo wena o tlo wela ka mo bobeng because motho o molomo o tlo nnantsa pointara ha wa moloi a shu o tsena kereke ya hore ha wa moloi a shu ke ngaka ha wa moloi a shu ke eng let's stop pointing fingers bana ba ba tsenang ha di bana mo bongake ba yo re senyetsa le rena dingaka ka go bola ke tlala re no tseya ra re motho a re kenya go nna kgwedi ka kgwedi ho irahalang badimo ba irang mo dimammele wa motho ka kgwedi e shiba butswe motholo we need to robe le inspector mo sector ya bongaka e pila mbjano re be ya pila go be le inspector tse di tlo tsamang di tse di tsena house to house ba check gore motho o thwasisa bjang motho o fit enough for a ka thwasana eso tshwana le khale ne o sena re nka bja date ka re ga wa ngwana ka wa thwasa without my kobela ka ntsantso atle a tlo bona mmereko wa ka gore wa ngwana o ka nnete go a bereke hana ngwana o ka nnete wa dumellwa go ka tshela noka elana ya Jordan ha di bano ba no tshela fela ba ntse ba sa itse selo a re tseneng ka motaolo ka mo tenteng ya dingaka o tsholle mawa o bona bana ba titomatoma di dire o ra motlhakola a re ke moferefere o tla moferefere a re ke motlhakola o ra longwe a re ke mpiere yo o ra bokatsa a re ke mpetso ke morerwane shem ke mathata because o bone le mo on a national TV motho a re ke tsholla ditaola a re khwasha ho lebella a dina le mawa ke sa itseng e le gore go ne le ba ba tlhatlho ba ntle le mawa a ke itse bongaka bo nabile mara nna ke tlo hana fela ba tlo bolela rawa di re moferefere moferefere o mofeng re sa o bone a re ke thuteng o ka se di itse dilo tseo o ka se ke ka 2 months ka 1 month le hona o tsene ka lotu le le one ka mo le le one le le go dikatareng o ntse o ira o khopela di-favors tsa gore baba ke a mmerekong ke ya kae o ya dilong tsa gago tsena mo dilong tsa thwaso and only few are chosen wa itse ke rata di-video tse batho ba di irang ba only few are chosen ba bang ba not to choose bona self vele se lotho sa tlese sao o tlo tsena mo go sa tshwanegang mo teng mara dilo le tsao there's no way o ka fisa masela wa setlakatlakane ho ka bona o fisitse masela o fisitse ditaola o fisitse ditlhare wa setlakatlakane go ra re tsela ne ntse e se ya hao ngwanetso nyaka tsela ya hao o ska phoka ba bangwe wa recruiter wa re etlang le nthuse re fise masela ne ntse e se tsela ya hao
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and of course do share this video. So Sangoma Gogo Makhephula, who has become well known as the Gogo to have beef with Assistant B from Itlozilami, and also as the Gobela who was taken to Moja Love's fake Gobela for accused of being a fake Gobela, has come out and posted this message on TikTok where he basically says that there are a lot of issues that they as Gobelas are going through at the expense of their Twasanas, but they do not know where to report the issues or who to tell you guys. He says that though most Twasanas always blames them as Gobelas for certain issues, they too are sometimes putting them in a sticky situation by maybe stealing while they are at their training, you guys. He further said that there should be platforms where Gobela will get to report and actually talk about issues that they go through at the expense of their Twasanas, you guys. Maybe like a TV show of some sort where they can talk. Even though Gogo Makhephula did not say it, people in the comment section said that they felt like he was indirectly auditioning to Mojala to give him maybe a TV show of his own without asking them to do so by posting that video. He said quite a mouthful on that video, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content that I do, and also follow me on Facebook. I will definitely see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.